Hello, good morning. This is your long test, which will be submitted on Monday. And on Monday, you're going to have your second quarter exam. So you have a new schedule for your exam, and that will be on December 2 and 3, 2024. So I hope that you're going to prepare for your exam. Okay? So let's have this number one. Okay, for number one, which of the following is a set of coplanar points equidistant from a fixed point? Our answer for that is very good. Our answer is letter D. We have circle. Okay? So, let's proceed now to number 2. What is an angle formed by two rays whose vertex is at the center of the circle? So if the vertex is at the center, what will be our answer, or what kind of angle is that? Our answer will be very good. That is our central angle. Okay? I hope you got it. Let's proceed now to number 3. Actually, for this 20 to 25, I'm sorry for this. I did not notice this one last time. Okay, that's not 20 to 25. It is numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So, from 3 to 9. Okay. So, let's proceed now to number 3. Which of the following segments is a chord? Okay. So, our answer for that is very good. Letter D. Okay. So, our answer is letter D. That is a chord. Okay. Where's our BT? BT is this one. So this is our BT. And this is a chord. Okay, I hope you got it. Let's proceed now to number 4. Okay, so for number 4, which of the following is a central angle? So our answer for that is letter A. So let's observe our angle BAN. So if you are going to look for your B, then A, then N. So this is a central angle. Okay? So the answer for number 4 is letter A. Let's proceed now to number 5. So for number 5, which of the following arcs is a minor arc of the circle? Okay? So if you are going to observe letter C, okay? So angle or arc B and P. So where is our B and P? This one. B and P. Okay? Do you think this arc measures less than 180? Very good. That is a minor arc. Okay? So therefore, our answer for that is letter C. I hope you got it. Let's proceed now to number 6. So for number 6, we have this one. How many radii does circle A have? Okay? So, if you are going to examine the radii, we have this one. We have AP, we have AN, we also have AB, and we also have AT. So, how many radii do we have? Okay, our answer for that is letter B as in boy. Okay? I hope you got it. Let's proceed now to number 7. If the diameter is perpendicular to chord, okay, so like this one, this is the diameter, and this is the chord, we have BP, okay, which of the following statements could be true? Okay, so our answer for number 7 is letter, okay, very good, letter B as in boy. So if you are going to observe our BS, okay, this one, BS is congruent or equal to SP. Okay? So, since the diameter is perpendicular to the chord, therefore, it bisects the chords. Okay? So, that's why the two segments, the BS or segment BS and segment SP, they are equal or congruent. Okay? Very good. Let's proceed now to number 8. Okay, for number 8, if measure of angle BAP is 95 degrees. Okay, so this is 95 degrees. Where's our angle BAP. BAP. So this one, BAP. So this is, what is the measure of this? 95 degrees. Okay. So what is the measure of BNP? Okay, we are going to observe this one. Okay. So we have the central angle, and our intercepted arc will be just equal to the measure of the central angle. So therefore, if that angle is 95, our answer for that is also very good. Our answer is equal to 95 degrees. I hope you got it. Let's proceed now to number 9. So for number 9, if PA is equal to 8 cm, where's our PA here? PA. Our PA is 1. 8 cm. Where's our PA? This one, the radius is 8 cm. So if that is 8 cm and AS is equal to 6 cm, how long is NS? Okay. So for you to find the length of NS, this one, observe that AN, this one, AN is a radius and AP is a radius. So therefore, they are equal because all radii are congruent. So since AP is equal to 8, so therefore we can say this is 8. Okay, this one. Okay? So since this is equal to 8, therefore, what is the length of the other radius? That must also be equal to 8. And since we know that AS is equal to 6, so what is the length of NS? To make it 8. So therefore, our answer equals, very good, it must be equal to 2. So our answer for that is letter T as in that. So it must be equal to 2 centimeters. Okay? Let's proceed now to number 9. Actually, let's proceed to number 10. For number 10, we are going to have this one. Which of the following is not true about the diameter? So not true. Take note. That is not true. So therefore, we are going to have this one. Okay? So diameter is not the shortest chord because that is the longest chord. So therefore, our answer for that is letter A. Okay? So, I hope you got it. Let's proceed now to number 11. O, di ba madali lang yung 1 to 10? Okay.